welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is the Wealthy Embassy FX. So today we're going to be looking on the Usdcad. Wow, last week we did analysis on the Usdcad. Go and watch my previous video, you're going to see it there. We did a video on analysis on Usdcad. We said that Usdcad is going to buy, which we are seeing that Usdcad is buying. And on my previous video I explained every reason why Usdcad should buy. Starting from the monthly time frame, starting our top analysis on monthly time frame, we can see a market that was rejecting this previous level, rejecting until we saw a break and it continued to the upside, and we saw the market came below it again and it rejected downward, and currently the market is breaking above the level again, right? The market is breaking above the level, and that's why I concluded that the Usdcad is going to buy. So that's why I'm expecting a buy on the Usdcad. And if you should put this on the line chart, not to confuse yourself, you will see it very clearly. Are you seeing it? You can see this W pattern, right, forming here, and a breakout, right? So what are you expecting? A retest on this level and you see a continuation to the upside. I know many of you might be like, Usdcad is going to reject downward because of the rejection here. I'm going to tell you why and show you why it's not going to do like that. So we're going to move straight to the candlestick back. Going to move. So guys, so we're going to move to the weekly time frame. Going to move to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame, just last week when we saw this bullish breakouts out from this resistant level, which is now what, a support level. So we saw the breakout from this resistant level that is now a support level, and I said that the market is supposed to do what, come and retest here before we see what, a continuation to the upside, right? These are our target here. The market is supposed to come and retest here before we see a continuation to what, to the upside, which is much more still active. So the analysis for last week is still much more active. We are still watching out for buys for what, Usdcad. We are still on the buy side for Usdcad. So what I'm going to say is that only when you should look for sales is when the market, just like what I said last week, is when the market should do what, break. Is when the market should come down. Is when the market should come down, break below this level here, right? Break below it, retest on it, then start coming down again. You see, that is only when you should look for what, sales. But as long as this market is still above this level here, all you should look for is what, buys. All you should look for is what, is buys. No room for sales. All you should look for is buys. And again, when buying, don't forget this level here. There's a level here I'm currently seeing, this level. Don't forget this level too. It's very important. Don't forget that level. Very, very important. So that's only new level I'm adding to the previous level that we've drawn earlier on. So So pay attention to those levels. It's very important because those levels can change everything. So currently you can see the market, right? You can see, just like we said last week, that we're expecting the market to come and retest here, but the market came a little bit shy of it and started going up, right? And started going up, and this level here is what is rejecting the market downward. So we should definitely see a break of this level. I'm still expecting this market to come here, to come and retest on this level. So just like I said, last week analysis on the Usdcad is still very much more active. It's still very much more active. Yeah, it's still very, very active. So I'm still expecting this market to come down here before we see a push to the upside, right? Before we see a push to the upside. Then if you go to the 4 hours, you can see it. You can see it. It's still very much more active. Very much more active. So we are still waiting for the market to come down here. Before we see what, a buy to the upside. Yeah, before we see a buy to the upside, the market needs to still come down here. The market is going to come here. From here, this is where you should take your buys from. Don't take your buys from here. not take your buys from here, because the market is still going to come back here to pick some more buyers from the big banks. That's still going. There are still more buyers here. So the market is going to come down to pick more buyers before you start buying up. So that is all I have for you on the USD card. Remember, the analysis that we did previously is still much more active. So just be patient and pay attention to the market, then make some money from the market. And remember, always allow the market to fulfill your analysis before you take any trade. And when the market does not fulfill your analysis, let the market be. Thank you guys. I love you. And make sure you like and also subscribe and share. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. God bless you.
And if you hear this and they're gone,